stop is pizza.
We'll just take these napkins. You gotta reuse, recycle. You don't wanna waste someone else's napkins. Especially if they only look like they used once, right? Pizzeria on 46th Street next to all the theatrical performers. First pizza stop of many. It's gonna be an epic trip. Our traditional pizza reviews are done on the basis of a medium. The average slice, the same kind. But I think that whole thing is garbage. I'm not talking about garbage pizza. This should be based on complexity. This should be based on uniqueness. No, you're not gonna see cheese from me every time. Okay, guys? Ooh. All right. Doesn't really hold its own because it wants to be a Chicago pizza. If somebody wanted to make like a spaghetti pizza, minus spaghetti with the meat sauce, that's what I'm eating right now. It's unique. It should be eaten with a fork. But it's exactly what you'd think that would come out of like a spaghetti meat sauce. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. And honestly, it's the best one so far.
Well, luckily for Jeremy, we just have to look in any direction and we could find a pizzeria where he could eat pizza. And I guess it's lucky for you guys too, so then you can see what it looks like. And imagine you're trying it.
We are at the famous hot. I got the meat lovers. Interesting. The underground crust on this one is probably 2 or 3 times thicker than what I had yesterday in terms of thickness on the crust, and the density is a little lighter. But we'll see. Let's give it a go. In New York pizzas, that's not a sign of weakness. You would see that as a sign of weakness. It's not a sign of weakness. This is a sign of strength in the New Yorkers, because you see the drips. That's the power behind it. Don't look at the weakness here. It's not the weakness. Very cheesy. I'd put this, I don't know, maybe more of a, it's okay, it's edible. It's like, Pizza bar, 1 block away from Macy's. Clearly different than the last pizza I had. This is a chicken bacon ranch. I actually really like it. Pops with salt. It pops with fats and the cheese. Crunchiness, creamy. Crust is nice. It doesn't look as appealing, but I would actually rate this as one of the higher ones because the complexity in it. And you know what's so nice? It holds its own. It's great. I couldn't wait. John's Pizza. This is like a New York river here of oil, but that's what you want in the cheese. Crust is nice. I give it an 8.7. This is a go-to everyday slice.
Look at that though. The oil ratio. That's good. It's got the drip going on.
It's perfect.
New York pizza, first taste.
We are here at what's this place? Pizza Art. It's by Radium City Music Hall down the street from NBC, and they're very particular here. I asked for sausage on the side. They said no. I asked for half pizza with sausage. They said no. And so I'm going to enjoy this wonderful gluten-free vegetarian pizza, but they refused to give me sausage, Italian sausage on the side because they had to have it a particular way. It wasn't presentable enough for them, which is really interesting. This will be my second gluten-free pizza in New York. Here we go. Lots of veggies. It's nice. It's clean. It's soft for gluten-free, which I really enjoy. Lots of veggies.
Oh yeah, it's good. Oh yeah, it's good.
Says, let me have that, Mom.
Good pizza.
Yeah.